Uh, yeah. Oh, that's London on the track. Run that shit back.
Hey y'all, so this is the story of my prom dress designer that got locked up. A week before prom. And this all happened in May. Last year is my senior year. And I had a prom designer. She was from Manhattan, New York. And she had a French accent, so I think she said she was originally from France or whatever, I don't know. But you know, I met her through my aunt. Basically, she was my aunt's tenant. And she lived in a house. She was renting a house of my aunt's. And she lived with, two others. Among the others, her name was Lisa. Now the fashion designer, prom designer, let's call that. I'm gonna call her Linda. Now mind you, her roommate was Lisa. So you know, Linda the designer, we're touching heads. She's getting my idea. I'm feeling her. I'm liking her design. She's really nice, dress designer from New York. I was like, okay, I'm digging this. You made this. Okay, I seen Shane Justin do this before, but okay, that's good. That's cute. But I'm liking, and then she told me she makes dresses like this. And I seen proof that she was able to make dresses in just 3 days. So I'm like, okay, she can make this quick and easy. And so she showed me her, her fabrics, and I'm just not feeling her fabrics. They're just not what I wanted. And I'm a Virgo. What I want is what I want, and you can't change my mind. So I was like, it's not gonna work. So I just said, I'm gonna just get my own fabric and give it to you. We agreed on that. She said she was fine with that. I gave her a down deposit of $250, or was it 200? It was 250 or 200, one of them. And gave her all that in like cash. And so she was supposed to make the dress, but we had to wait. I had to order this, I had to order that, order this. Oh yeah, she said, oh yeah, you need to go get that. I was on a bunch of running around. So it was school, running around, school, go back, run around, school, order this, school, this and that. And it was just so much overnight shipping, paying for this and that. And I was like, I'm not gonna stress because I'm gonna get my prom dress the way I want it. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be great. I won't have to stress. She's gonna do it in 3 days and I won't have much problems. Now she said she wanted to do everything at once. So even though she had this fabric and that fabric, she didn't want to start it. She was like, we're gonna wait till we get everything. So she was working on one of my friend's dresses. And it's coming out nice. She did it 2 days. She just had to add, ostrich feathers and stuff. But I wanted actual feathers, which took a little while to get. And when the day it finally came, I was going to the movies at 5. And, I finally got those feathers. And, I'm getting the mail and I'm going to my mother. And I'm telling her, like, okay, I got the feathers. But, I just see her on the phone. And, she's looking like, we're African. She's like, hey, oh. And I'm just like, when you hear that, it's like, okay, something bad must have happened. I'm just like, what happened? I got the feathers. What happened? I got the feathers. And she's like, Linda got locked up. And I'm like, what? She's like, Linda got locked up. She's in jail. And I'm like, in jail? It just felt like the worst case scenario that could ever happen for prom is happening. I just couldn't believe my ears. I couldn't believe what I was hearing, that she's in jail. Mind you, I had prom the next Saturday. She's like, oh yeah. So she rushes off the phone and my mom, she's telling me like, basically, Linda has some food. And mind you, Linda is delusional. One thing about her, she feels like she's better than everybody. She just thinks. I never understood what was wrong with her. I try not to deal with her much. I just want her to make my dress and shut up. Make my dress and shut up. I didn't want to hear every other thing. Her delusional fantasies that, oh, she met this person. She used to work with this person. She's a top fashion designer in New York. Fashion shows, this and that. She creates shows for Real House of Atlanta. I didn't want to hear none of that. She was really delusional. That was confirmed when she said Lisa, mind you, was her roommate, poisoned her. She said Lisa poisoned her. She said that she went to the doctor and she knows that Lisa is jealous of her. So she wanted to food poison her. So she put poison in her food. And she said the doctor confirmed it. So mind you, Linda is from Manhattan, New York. I don't know why she thought Manhattan versus Atlanta was gonna work. So Linda went back to the house, went into Lisa's face, and they're like this, and she just pointing on her face like, you food poisoned me. I gotta confirm from the doctor. You're jealous of me. You don't like me, and that's it. I'm from here. I do this. I do that. You don't do this. You don't do that. And just go back and forth. Hands on the face. Y'all know that's not right. Don't be all in people's face accusing them. Of course they're gonna be like. But long story short, Linda put her hands on Lisa first, and Lisa told me that's all she had to do. She started beating her butt. And long story short, Linda, when she got done with the fight, she's mad. She gets her phone, Manhattan style, and called the police. How you gonna hit her and call the police? I don't understand how she's the one who got locked up. Linda was the one who got locked up. She put her hands on her. She called the police, and she got herself in the back of a police car, and she's in jail. And so we're all like, what in the world? And Lisa's like, I don't even know how that happened, but she wanted to call the police, and she got what she deserved. And yeah, I'm like, she got what she deserved, and this would have been great any other time, but my dress, she was supposed to make it. So my mom's like, just be okay. I was so sad, y'all. I drove the speed limit with no music, nothing. I was so sad. I just drove. That's how sad I was. And if you know me, I never do that. And so my mom, she just tried to really comfort me all these days. I was just stressing. I was sad. I was crying. I was like, oh my God, prom is ruined. I'm just not gonna go. And she's like, you're gonna go. We're gonna make something out of it. I just kept praying. I was having hope. I'm a very faithful person, so I just kept having faith, So my mom, she came with an idea. Oh, we're gonna bail her out. We're gonna go help her. I talked to her on the phone, and Linda's all like, please help me, please. I have never ever in my life, ever, all 50 years, ever been in jail. This is so not me. I don't do this. I don't do that. I am better than this. I don't deserve to be here. Please, I will pay you back everything. And my mom's like, okay, that's reasonable. I'll help her bail her out, and she'll give me that money back. And mind you, she may even do the prom dress for free. So I'm like, okay. My mom's like, all right, let's do it. So it's a long process, but they try to expedite everything. So we would go to the jail. I would see her, and she was just like, this is the first time I've ever been in a jail too. And I'm just talking to her through the phone glass, I don't know. And she's just like, oh, I just need help. I will do your prom dress if I can get out, but this and that. You guys can even go get the fabric from the room if I can't get out in time, and give it to somebody else. And in my head I'm thinking like, okay, who's gonna do my dress in 3 days? Like, this isn't gonna work. So I was just praying that will help her get out of jail. And mind you, prom was that Saturday, and it was about Thursday. I just didn't know what to do. So I don't know what happened, but they said she did something, and it was an extra charge on her file. So there was gonna be more problems. So it was gonna be hard for mom to bail her out then and there. So my mom was unsuccessful with that. And Friday came, didn't know what to do. but we had some fabric. We had the feathers that I already had, and we gave it to a lady who was my mom's friend, and she did what she could. She did what she could, and I'm very appreciative of her. But she did all that on Saturday. I got up so early. Prom started at 7 o'clock. She did what she could. I was late to prom. I was 2 hours late. The process was a mess. I was crying. I had one of my friends there helping me, and you know, we was gluing the flowers onto the dress. We was doing this, was doing that, was doing as much as we could. My hair, I don't know. My nails was done. That was good, but it was just the dress. I didn't look how I wanted to look. I really wish I could redo prom because I just feel like it was a mess. And mind you, when Linda did get out of jail, she moved out that place, and she had a lawyer call me because I kept calling. I'm like, you ruined my prom. You ruined my whole senior experience. You ruined what I've been looking forward to since 9th grade. I need my money back. Go ahead and run me back that $200. So she had somebody call me, and you know, he was like, you know, just questioning me. And I told my mom was just livid. Like, she's mad. Like, you got some grown man that you claimed as a lawyer to keep questioning me. My mom was just getting so upset. Like, who are you? Oh, we're gonna sue you. Oh, this and that. And it was just, that turned into another big mess. And that was just too much. Long story short, I still don't have that money back. And she has blocked me on social media. She has blocked my number. She's blocked my mother. All of this. I'm gonna show you guys the way the pictures, the prom dress came out. But I'd say one thing, I was not satisfied, and I really do feel like that was the worst point in my life that I can't get back. And it was just a disaster. But anyways, I do aspire to go back to prom one day because I feel like that was the biggest disaster ever and an epic fail. It was a mess. Y'all check out my deep wave bundles from my collection that will be coming out soon. Deluxe Hair Co. This is the deep wave, and it's been dyed, bleached and dyed, and it still remains its texture. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my story because it was a mess. I know y'all can agree on it too. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, all that.
Brown, you got another one. Follow me, hoes, you rusty hoes.